Hello guys, welcome to Everyday GK. Today we are going to deal with current affairs up to 8th of May till date. A total of 24 questions. Let's start with the first question. Chota Char Dham, a famous Hindu pilgrimage circuit, is located in which state? Uttarakhand. Which Indian insurance company has featured in the top 10 list of most valuable insurance brands globally? LIC. Which space agency has recently launched a new batch of 60 Starlink internet satellites into orbit? SpaceX. What is Patalia 2, which was seen in the news recently for being stranded on the Pacific Ocean floor? Miley Robert. Which state has been permitted by the Civil Aviation Ministry to use drones for experimental delivery of vaccines? Telangana. Which type of mummy was discovered for the first time in the Warsaw Mummy Project? Pregnant mummy. As per the recent SEBI guidelines, 20% salary of top executives be paid in the units. Litali River and Quran Lake, which were making the news recently, are located in which country? Lebanon. The SDRF State Disaster Response Fund contribution SDRF contribution is released in two equal installments to the states as per the recommendation of Finance Commission. Which organizations has released the Global Forest Goal Report 2021? The United Nations ECOSOC. What is Max 1407, which is seen in the news recently? Soybean variety. Pitola Lach, which was making news recently, is the traditional string puppetry art of which state? Assam. Indian Army has inaugurated the first green solar energy harnessing plant in which state? Sikkim. World Tuna Day is observed on 2nd May every year. Which SDG Sustainable Development Goal calls for sustainable use of oceans and marine resources? SDG 14. Who has been appointed as the acting chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? PC Pant. What is the name of the operation launched by the Indian Armed Force to tackle COVID-19 pandemic? Operation Kojit. Significant economic presence principle is a concept used to levy which category of tax? Digital tax. A new species of duck-billed dinosaur Yamatosaurus izalagi has been discovered in which country? Japan. ILS Kolkata arrived to Port Suwaik to bring liquid medical oxygen and medical supplies from which country? Kuwait. Who is the longest serving female chief minister of any Indian state or union territory as of May 2021? Sheila Dikshit. What is Mayflower 400, which was making news recently? World's first artificial intelligence ship. The DDoS attack, which was making news recently, is associated with which field? Cybersecurity. As per the Climate Action Tracker analysis, what would be the rise in global temperature by 2100? 2.4%. Arhar, Urad and Moong are example of which type of major crop? Kharif. So that's all for today. Thank you.